We're having a Nerf gun war. It's gonna be me and her in teams against Tristan. And I'll show you the first two guns that I have hidden, and this is the gun that I'm gonna use first. Come here. If you look right here, here's my AK-47 and my pistol, and here's Marina. Woo!
Mine are right here, and we both lose this walkie-talkie to hear him.
And guys, let's go to mine.
Mine is this, and mine's...
Alright guys, and this is mine. My sniper, machine gun, pistol, knife, walkie-talkie, and my bow and arrow.
That's
And
my
guess
bow
what?
area.
And we're having a Nerf gun war! Let's get it!
Nerf gun war, let's go!
Alright guys, which one should I use first? I'm thinking the sniper. Oh! Great. Tell me when you get shot. Guys, it's gonna be fun. Yeah! Big baby. Oh! Shoot. Guys. Ah! It's taking you a long ride. Let's go! No, you didn't. Automatic respawn. Alright, we're back.
So that was the end of our show. We'll show you another round of our show. Bye.